Scuffed flooring from dragging furniture is one of those annoying problems that can totally mess up the look of your home, but luckily, it's something you can actually fix or avoid with a few simple tricks. So, first off, always try to lift your furniture instead of dragging it. Like, seriously, even if it feels easier to just slide it across the floor. If lifting is not an option, put down some protective pads or old blankets underneath the legs to keep your floors safe. You can also grab those felt pads or rubber cups that stick to the bottom of furniture legs. They work wonders for preventing scratches. When you do need to move big stuff, ask a buddy for help so you can lift together and skip the scraping. For hardwood or laminate floors, regular cleaning is key because dirt and grit can make scuffs way worse when you drag furniture around. Another cool trick is to use a floor runner or area rug in heavy traffic spots where you often move furniture. And if you spot scuffs, try rubbing them gently with a baking soda paste or a little bit of toothpaste. It sounds weird, but actually helps buff out marks without damaging the finish. Finally, keep an eye on your furniture's hardware. Loose screws or rough edges can dig into floors more easily. One of the biggest reasons people end up with scuffed flooring from dragging furniture is not using any kind of protection on the furniture legs, which leaves your floors super vulnerable. Fix that by adding felt pads or rubber protectors before moving anything around. Another common mistake is sliding heavy furniture with dirt or grit stuck underneath. This basically turns your furniture legs into sandpaper, so cleaning both the floor and the legs before moving stuff is a must. Also, lots of folks ignore lifting and just start dragging because it seems faster, but that's a quick way to wreck your floors. Always get help if you can't lift alone to avoid those deep scratches. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the headache of endless searching. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients looking for their skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.